I'm Jeff Jepson. We're at Classy Cars today doing auto detailing using our Makita tools. Before we even wash it, we evaluate it. We use different types of lights, especially our Makita big bright lights. Washing your car is really important. The drying process is just as important as the washing process. You always want to use your Makita blowers. Make sure you're outfitted with the right ones. Then you go through and you use a microfiber towel. On your rotary polishers, they're really nice. I love the Makita rotary polisher. It's so ergonomic. We'll use usually a heavy duty twisty bit, then go to our finish wool, work it kind of like you're buttering a cake. We can go to a rotary, then to a forced rotational type of polisher that is a gear-driven polisher. The best way for us to pick the polisher is also in the evaluation process. We always try with the least aggressive. It gives you a little grip and it's kind of grabby, especially with the orange pad. And the polish that we use with the white pad is more of an into a finish. So now you're taking the haze out of the paint. Once it's evaluated from there, we will either do a ceramic coating or a Mother CMX coating. So once you finish that up, then you wipe it down, you double check it, you're good to go. You've finished out your process of cutting and polishing your car. Now you're ready to go have fun.